that the welfare of the people is in the Constitution. Mr. Speaker, some time ago, for about 1 month and some weeks, my boat got sunk that claimed the life of about 4 persons. I lost over 9 million that also today. Nothing has been done. So, Mr. Speaker, I am very, very aggrieved. That is the more reason that I, on the relation of Canada, representing Calabar South, constituency 1, based on that, I want to invoke section 92, sub 2C, for the removal of the Speaker of the Federal State. That's it. I still move. Mr. Oman, I represent the Speaker of the Federal. I hereby second the motion and move. I hereby move.
Thank you.